Stop. No. No, Jasmine. It's my cell phone. No. No. You're okay. All the vibration from them working on the roof today's got some of my snakes frazzled. You're okay. Good girl. See, you're all right. You're okay, Mama. See? So all you have to do is talk to them. They're not stupid. They can hear you. See, I'm okay now. Mama talked to me. I'm fine. So all that shaking in the house is making me a little crazy, though. Sorry about my shakes. I'm leaning kind of to the side here to get a good capture of her. But yeah, they just need to be talked to. And they do hear you. You okay now? They stopped vibrating the house there for a while. But, you know, something like this is very important, that you reassure them they're safe, and that even with all this disturbance going on, the vibration and the power tools and everything, it's important to reassure them that they have no reason to be in fear for their lives and to have to be worried about it. You can make a big difference in their personalities and temperament by reassuring them that they're going to be okay. Hey, you're going to hear different noises. You're going to hear different sounds. You're going to smell different scents as you grow up. You need to adapt to that while you're a baby or a young snake. She's doing real good. She's getting really big. Uh-oh, here we go again. They're putting the new paneling up on the roof. It's okay. It's all right. You're okay. You're okay, Mama. You're fine. You're okay. You're okay. You're all right. I know it's making you nervous. That's why I brought you out. Beautiful here today. 66 degrees. Good day to bring her out. I hadn't planned to because of the work on the house, but she was getting so stressed out and defensive because of all the noise and vibration. I brought her out to try and comfort her. I do that with all my snakes. If I see them pacing and restless and I know they need some personal attention, they need to be comforted, it's important to them to know that they're safe with you. I stress that all the time to people. It's very important. They need to know they feel safe and secure with you. So what is all that horrible noise? My goodness. So what's all that horrible noise? You look like a princess sitting up. Uh-oh, here goes the saw again. You're safe. Uh-oh, what's that noise? What's that, Jasmine? See? You're all right. I'll protect you. You're okay. Here. See? See, oh, all these weird, strange noises I'm not used to every day. She's sleeping. It's okay. You're safe. Yes, you are. You're safe. She's got one heck of a grip around my hand. She's wrapped around it like 3 times. There, where are you going? Where are you going? I know that noise is making you nervous. I know. You're alright. But she's getting some good size to her. She's a beautiful girl. So I'm upset. That noise is just upsetting me terrible. I've already taken like 6 bites from her since I took her out. She's so jumpy. See, you're okay. See? You're all right. She's got quite a grip on me. You okay? You okay now? I'm leaning back, so I'm in an awkward position with her, but it's beautiful here today. You're secure. You're safe. Let me see if I can sit up a little bit. It's killing my back. There. See? You're fine. Yeah, you're doing fine. You're such a good girl. See, I just freaked out. All that noise was scaring me a bit. Yeah, she's okay now. So my mama's got me. I'm all right. So mama's got me. Yeah, she's getting big. She's a sweet girl. She doesn't let just anybody walk up to her and reach in for her. She will nail you. But like I said, after, you know, I take her out, she'll give me a few pops and then she's over it just that quick. See, she's hugging me literally with her head up against my hand. Pressed up against it to make her feel secure and safe. They can feel your pulse. They can feel all the points in your body where your pulse is, heartbeat's the strongest. And if I could turn her in the camera without losing her grip on me there, I'd show you how she's really snuggled up against my hand for security. She's got her head right tight to my hand. She is literally hugging me. See? And she's got quite a grip on my hand. There, see? You're doing fine. You're doing fine, little lady. Well, you're not so little anymore. You're catching up. I guarantee you she's going to be as big as Chewy. I'm positive of it. You doing the inchworm thing on my hand? So I'm giving you snake hugs, Mama. Yeah, those are snake hugs. She's squeezing me really hard. Look at her. That's hugging. She's got her head snug. Oops, sorry. She's got her head snuggled right into my hand. See? And that is, you're squeezing me really hard, Jasmine. She's content. See? So I feel safe. It's cute. Quite a grip. Yeah, you're fine. That's so sweet. She is literally hugging me. Not just constricting me, she is hugging me. See her head up against me?